So I've got my jump starter here today. In this review, what I'm going to do is show you all the details and show you what it does come with. So this is a jump starter, handles up to 9,000 amps, up to 12-liter diesel engines, all gas engines. It also is a power bank. It's a flashlight. It inflates up your tires. It also inflates mattresses and deflates. And these are all the things that it does come with. Of course, we've got our power cord here. Got a little tube here for our inflator. This is for our tires, of course, our jump starter, and then all the little attachments it comes with too to make it just a little bit easier. When you plug in your jump starter attachment, it's going to be blinking red and green. But when you go ahead and put your jump starter on here, what it's going to do, it's going to sense whether the voltage is correct. It's going to turn green, and I know it's ready to go. And you can go ahead and start your vehicle. If the battery is almost dead, there is a boost function right here. All you have to do is press that. You're going to hear a little click. It'll give you a little bit more power. On the front here, we have 6 easy buttons. Right here is our power button. Just hold that for a long press. It's going to turn on. Right here is our flashlight. So when we press that, we got a flashlight here, a light here. As you press it again, you got another light. Press it one more time, and you have an emergency light. And then you also have a steady light too. We have 2 ports here, in and out, for inflate and deflate. When you push the holes in here, you can just lock that in place. Press this button here to go ahead and turn it on. That's going to allow you, if you want to go ahead and you could dust off your engine, your keyboard, inflate inflatables that you're going to take to the pool, or even air mattresses. We also have a charging port and a power bank. Now this is a digital tire pressure gauge. It does show your battery level, and you can go ahead and cycle through all the different preset settings, whether it's a motorcycle tire, bicycle tire, or something like a basketball. It's got a ton of features. This is something you can definitely keep in your trunk or just store away in your garage, and it's ready to go when you need it. Hope you found this helpful.